How to create a Facebook fan page. Before we start, we need to make sure that you have a Facebook personal account. If you don't have one already, I have a tutorial. I'll post a link on the top of this video on the top right hand corner. Follow that first and then come back to this video. Okay, so once you have your personal account set up, come onto the main page. On the top right hand corner here, click on the button that says create. And then at the top, click on page. On the right hand side, you'll see an option that says community or public figure. Click on where it says get started. Put in your page name. And in the category, just put down just for fun. Okay, it'll give you the correct options if you're just making a fan page. Then click on continue. Okay, so this window pops up and it gives you an option to upload a photo or profile picture. Okay, so if you have a photo already, you can just click on it and navigate your way to where your photo is. I'm just going to navigate myself to my logo. Okay, now it's going to ask you if you want to upload a cover photo. So that's basically the long banner at the top of your page. If you want, you can navigate to that. I'm going to navigate to mine. Okay. And here we go. Congratulations, you have your page all ready and set up.